American Airlines expects to make a final decision on its order for 22 Airbus A350900s within 6 months, and possibly by the end of 2017. The MRJ-90 flight test program is back on track following a temporary suspension spurred by an unscheduled engine shutdown during a test flight, according to Mitsubishi Aircraft Corporation. American Airlines is confident it will continue to produce annual profits averaging $5 billion and will never again lose money, Chairman and CEO Doug Parker said Thursday. Click here to read event news from ATW on location.